it's Tiffanys Content with your 12 days of Christmas weather countdown. That's right, we're going to do your 12 days of weather predictions right here on Tiffanys Content. So make sure that you are tuning in every day so that you can have an idea for your Christmas weather. Now let's take a look for today. It's still going to be that snow coming down out of Colorado, New Mexico, and plunging down into Texas along with those thunderstorms, rain. You even have some freezing rain activity and definitely heavy rain and thunderstorms in Florida that'll be colliding together. That's right, as you can see right here, all that snow and all that precipitation around the four corners over there and then plunging down into Texas and right into the Gulf of Mexico, meeting up with those heavy thunderstorms and rain activity in Florida, colliding together and will cause a cyclogenesis. That's right, going all the way up towards the East Coast. And then you can even see that freezing rain coming in the following week. So right now we are definitely looking at this heavy snowfall that is happening right now in Colorado that'll be plunging down into New Mexico and Texas and definitely coming into the Gulf of Mexico, meeting up with that heavy rain and thunderstorms. But right now, this is the snow activity that we do have in the United States, and it's starting to turn into ice. That's right, ice. Mostly in Kansas and New Mexico. You can see a little bit in Texas there, definitely in Colorado. And then we have the thunderstorm activity as well over there. So it's a lot going on over there in the Four Corners into West Texas that'll be colliding with that excessive rainfall and thunderstorms in Florida. So right now it's looking like as early as the 16th that we'll be seeing that this action is starting to collide together and happen. They even give you the hazards outlook for the next few days, and you can see Florida and up that East Coast, it's some heavy rainfall. So make sure that you're checking your local listings. We can have up to 6 to 8 inches of rain in certain areas and definitely going right up that East Coast. Looking at the forecast precipitation, you'll see that Florida is definitely in the red for precipitation. So it's going to be heavy rainfall from the South Florida all the way up to North Florida, and even Central Florida will have that rain. So look at the quantitative precipitation for the next 2 days, and it's already heavy, and this next one is for the next 7 days, and you can see that this whole weekend it will be some heavy rainfall all the way up towards that East Coast going into next week. So now let's take a look at that wind chill for today. How cold is it? Does it feel chilly? Well, definitely up north it's got that chilly weather, and look at the frost freeze temperature. It definitely had some cold freezing temperatures this morning for everyone. Look at 17 in Wisconsin. So look at all of this cold air. This is the feels like temperature. So if it's starting to feel like 10 and 20 in Minneapolis, that is starting to feel like Christmas. So now let's take our eyes into the Gulf Coast and into the Atlantic. You can see that that area is definitely picking up, and it is definitely identified as becoming a hazard to the United States. So we have 3 areas that they're looking at. And I'm going to zoom in closer to right now the ones that are affecting the United States the most. And it looks like it's one right above Cuba there, and also in the South America at the top. So we have a lot going on in the 12 days of Christmas. So make sure that you stay tuned to Tiffanys Content. I'm going to keep you updated all the way from the West Coast to the East Coast, from the North to the South. It's Tiffanys Content. Like, share, subscribe. And please take a moment to subscribe and like this page and even comment, because a lot of times people forget and go about their day. But I want to make sure that you remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. So I'm just going to give you time at the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in to the 12 days of Christmas weather with Tiffanys Content. Like, share, subscribe.